Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Motorola Moto ThinkPhone. First of all, go into Play Store on both and click on the search bars. Now type in Send Anywhere and get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Over here, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. Tap on I accept, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about newsletters and updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by selecting OK. Following that, choose Send at the bottom left corner of your Android and Receive at the bottom next to Send and History on ThinkPhone. Also on Motorola ThinkPhone, choose Yes I agree or No thanks to set up the best option for your ads. Then click on Close this window. Finally, you can go back to an Android and tap on all of those type of dots from all of those categories above. This way, you will choose them to transfer later on. When you're ready, tap on Send next to Selected. You can also just tap on some of your files. I will go with this one photo and tap on Send then. Over here, choose Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and pick the best connection way for you. If you want to scan this QR code, tap on this scanning icon on ThinkPhone located above User Guide. Now select while using the app or only this time to allow camera access and point your device's camera at the code. If you want to input this key instead, click on Input Key section under Enter the key. Type in all of those numbers and connect by tapping on Receive button. So now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!